friends, in this video I will explain previous NEET questions on the magnet. ఈ వీడియోలో నీట్లో వచ్చిన ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్ యూ షుడ్ బి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. సో ఈ వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు నా ఛానల్ని ఒక్కసారి అలా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ మీద అలా టచ్ చేసి వదిలేయండి. లెట్స్ గో నౌ. So first question we have to see here. First question: two identical bar magnets are fixed with their centers at a distance d apart. A stationary charge q is placed at p between the gap of the two magnets at a distance d from the center O as shown in figure. So it is the one of the magnet, it is second magnet. So these two are separated by the d distance. From these two, it is the center O. From the center to d distance P is located. So now what is the question here? The force on the charge Q is, so first option, directed perpendicular to the plane of paper. Second option, 0. Option C, directed along OP, and option D, directed along PO. So if you are looking this question, it is in your mind it is going to be, it is so difficult. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని చూడగానే మనకి ఎలాంటి ఆలోచన వస్తుందంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంటుంది అనే ఆలోచన వస్తుంది. కానీ you have to think about this question. So actually the magnetic force F equals to Q V B. So V is the charge, Q is the charge, V is the velocity, B is the magnetic field. So the question is they are asking velocity. So here you should be concentrate on the charge is stationary. So stationary charge means there is no velocity. Velocity is the 0. If velocity is the 0, force also 0. So what they are asking here, the force on the charge Q is 0. Option B is the right answer. Second question: the magnetic force acting on a charged particle of charge plus 2 microcoulomb in a magnetic field of 2t acting in y direction when the particle velocity 2i cap plus 3j cap into 10 power 6 meter per second. They given charge, they given, and magnetic field they given, and velocity they given. We want to find out the force. Force F equals to Q V bar cross B bar. Then we have to substitute the values here. So Q is minus 2 microcoulombs into 10 power minus 6 into velocity is 2i cap plus 3j cap into 10 power 6 cross magnetic field is y direction 2j cap. So according to the cross product we have to multiply with 2i cap 2j cap. So here minus 2 into 10 power minus 6, then 2 into 2 4, it is I cross j, it will come 4 k cap. So here it is 10 power 6, it is 10 power minus 6, get cancelled. So remaining terms minus 8 k cap. So it is, my answer is minus 8 k cap. Here minus 8 k cap means it is the z axis, z direction. Minus means it is the negative z direction. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏంటంటే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది y డైరెక్షన్లో ఉంది అంటే 2j క్యాప్ తీసుకోవాలి. దాన్ని ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సో ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. సో దీంట్లో మైనస్ 8 k క్యాప్ అంటే k అంటే z డైరెక్షన్, మైనస్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ నెగిటివ్ z డైరెక్షన్. సో 8n in negative z direction. Option D is the right answer. Next third question. It is 2000. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ 2000 ఇయర్లో అడిగాడండి. ఏ ప్రోటాన్ మూవింగ్ విత్ వెలాసిటీ 3 into 10 power 5 meter per second enters a magnetic field. Magnetic field is 0.3 Tesla at an angle of 30 degrees with the field. The radius of curvature of its path will be. So E by m of for proton equals to 10 power 8 coulomb per kilogram. For this R equals to mv sin theta by bq. It is the direct equation. Here q is charge. It depends on the number of electrons or protons. They given a proton, that means a single proton. So that equals to m is m into v is the velocity, 3 into 10 power 5 sin theta is 30 degrees, sin 30 1 by 2 by B is the magnetic field, 0.3 into Q is the charge, Q into 2. Now we have to notice that here m by q they given E by m for a proton 10 power 8 coulomb per kilogram. Now in the place of q by m you have to write 3 into 10 power 5 divided by 0.3 into 10 power 8 into 2. Now 3 ones, 3 0.1s. So 1 by 2 equals to into it is going up 10 power minus 2, then 0.5 into 10 power minus 2, then that equals to 0.5. It is, we have to write centimeter. R equals to 0.5 centimeter. So B is the right answer. Next, fourth question. When proton is accelerated through 1 volt, then its kinetic energy will be. So fourth question answer, proton will be accelerated with 1 volt, then kinetic energy will be. So kinetic energy K equals to QV. Then V is the voltage, Q is the charge. So proton charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 1 volt. So it is going to the 1 electronic volt. So kinetic energy in the form of 1 electronic volt. Answer is C is the right answer. This is the last question. See here, a beam of electron is moving with constant velocity in a region having simultaneous perpendicular electric and magnetic fields of strength 20 volts per meter and 0.5 Tesla respectively at right angles to the direction of motion of the electrons. Then the velocity of electrons must be. So here The electrons moving with constant velocity without any deflection. The electrons, ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ వెలాసిటీతో మూవ్ అవుతుంది, నో డిఫ్లెక్షన్ లేకుండా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్ the electron moving with constant velocity, in the time force due to electric field is equal and opposite to the force due to magnetic field. So force due to electric field Q E equals to force due to magnetic field Q V B. So here Q get cancelled. We want find out the velocity here. V equals to E by B. Then E is 20 by B is 0.5. Then that equals to 40 meter per second. Option C is the right answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.